Hello everyone, good morning. This is Lai and for today's video, get ready with me. Pero char lang. Bitaw char lang kay di ka mo mag-makeup. So I'm never gonna do that video, the get ready with me thing. But anyway guys, please come and join me as I prepare our breakfast for today. And I don't know minsan akong giluto guys, but I just cook whatever I find inside our fridge. So this is pork and so many guys. I prepare all the things that I needed. So I prepared I already washed the pork and then also I I get what do you call this? Yung kanang yung gibig mo remove ng garlic and then also lemon. So this is the pork. So anyway, guys, good morning. I hope you all have a good day today. So for today is my second day off and think nabalik ko ano yung black vlog. Wala tayo na. Siyempre guys, so morning guys, akong lutuon is pork. It's not inihaw or anything, but just basta lang, tanawa lang yun. So, money guys, ang pork. And then, wala may bowl. So, kung gamit is Tupperware sa ice cream. Kaya daghan kay make in ani. And then, after that, kung nagbugas ang pork, I some salt, and then garlic. And then, the lemon, of course. And after that, as after sa lemon is nag-add ta og soy sauce. I want talagang pepper and then soy sauce after an ice sauce. So I also added sugar. It's naman brown sugar, but for us wala today wala brown sugar, so it's just white sugar. And then cornstarch. And also I put some ketchup. Wala lang ako ng bigyan. Mali siya guys. This soup is supposed to be marinated for a few hours. But then wala siya ng gusto of hours. Na-marinate na siya. Wala pag minutes kay 3 a.m. Ako nakamata. Then I have to cook it by 4 p.m. So mali siya guys. I put it and then also wala siya pag-snap. Isa siya adobo. Just, I don't know kung sa adobo. Basta, wala na siya. So for today, kaya naurami niya sa phone. Wala niya akong and then tapos, I also place the one sabi ko wala ito yung ibang sa may ganun hindi ko upas napaka-stock water sa rin. Mas mo lang akong gigamit ang plastic. And then mo na niya siya guys ang finished product. I also made this soy sauce here. Pas wala yung kamatis and sibuyas. Nakutdan ni. So that's it for today, guys. And thanks for watching. And this is also the bound of my happiness that I prepare. So that's all, guys. Bye. And thanks for watching. See you again on my next mini vlog. This is Lai. Bye.